My video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the unwanted extension called Landscape Scroller. Landscape Scroller is a special extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The problem with this extension is that it actually operates as a browser hijacker. At least it works as a new tab replacer. And in many other cases, this extension may also change the default search engine settings without the user's permission. Also, many of such third-party extensions may also operate as adware and periodically show advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So this is what happens when this extension is installed. You open the new browser tab, and you notice this landscape scroller instead. To get rid of this unwanted extension, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then if you find this landscape scroller, disable and remove it. To make sure that your system is free of other possibly concealed threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching it with Combo Cleaner. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.